Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error. First, try restarting your computer and your internet router. Give your router about 30 seconds before turning it back on. Next, check the official Roblox server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages. Finally, ensure your internet connection is stable and not experiencing any drops or slowdowns. If restarting doesn't work, let's look at software. Update your graphics drivers to their latest versions, as outdated drivers often cause unexpected errors. Temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall software, as they might be blocking Roblox. If issues persist, a complete reinstallation of Roblox, ensuring all residual files are cleared, can often resolve stubborn problems. Now, let's check your system. Verify that your operating system meets Roblox's minimum requirements for smooth gameplay. If you're on an older system, try running Roblox in compatibility mode for your specific Windows version. Additionally, if you play through a web browser, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can sometimes fix loading or connection issues. For more persistent issues, consider performing a clean boot to isolate any conflicting background applications. This helps identify if another program is causing the error. If all else fails, gather detailed information about the error message and contact Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance. Also, check community forums for shared solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.